Hello, welcome back. Okay, in this video we're going to do run the bases, although it could be walk the bases, but we're going to call it run the bases, okay?
Well, we're not going to call it run the bases. It is called run the bases.
It is called run the bases.
But it could be called walk.
Could be walk the bases, you know, it depends on what you want to call it. Anyhow, we call it run the bases. Anyhow, we're going to take it from a closed position, and in this particular step, we're going to continue to do a rotation with this, so that way it's not stop, go, stop, go. You'll see how it moves across the floor. It does move a little bit, and you can actually change places on the floor and go around the house with this. This is a really cool pattern to have in your little repertoire, okay? So, start in a closed position, okay? Her left and her right side's closed together, and we do a basic, and trip, full step, walk, walk, trip, full step, run, run, trip, full step, slow, slow, trip, full step, walk, walk. See how that works? So basically we're kind of doing a right turn, so let's to the right, okay? And we just kind of gradually rotate and move around the floor. You can make this as big or as small as you want to. You can also, when you're dancing this, you can actually do that without this hand. Cool, right? So, but more details, probably listen to some videos. Cool? All right, now, your turn is to go and practice this and come on back for the next pattern. All right? See you in a moment.